Now we have to see if we can find our room. Let's go look at this map over here. We don't have to check in.
You don't?
I sent you a picture where we need to be. So we want, what's the picture I sent you? So we're the lobby. Okay, the picture I sent you, it says
Kudu Trail.
I don't see anything that says Kudu Trail.
Where is the restaurant?
Right there. Guys gonna see, I think all of them.
Types of meat.
I think let's just go up
We're on the
to,
third floor.
let's go up to the third floor and then look. Alright, let's go. Let's take the elevator. That's Giraffe Trail.
Yo.
Okay, let's go to the other. Abby, Haley, that's Giraffe Trail. Let's start over here. Oh.
She says it's gonna be a long walk.
I understand it, but I gotta put this bag and shit down before I walk to the car. I'm sorry. I'm just tired. Okay, so she said go down this hallway. Okay, so we're down this hallway. Three, 2, 7, 0. Okay, so we came in the balcony, or we came in the lobby, and the lobby is the third floor. So we do not have to go up. I'm sorry, I'm walking fast because this is a long day.
I do, but I don't like you.
3270.
Jeez Louise.
Where? I see zebras. I don't see a giraffe here.
There's really a giraffe
Oh, back
right
there. Okay, sorry, I'm blind.
Oh, there's a zebra. Someone got stripes. Why are there no zebra? Why are there zebras with no stripes? It's just a horse thing. 3270. I'm confused.
Did we pass it?
No.
What number is that?
It's this way.
This way. Why are we not? Oh, we're supposed to have a Savannah view.
There's Savannah on both sides.
Okay.
There's literally a giraffe out that window too.
Oh, okay, so yeah.
Why are you recording this whole boring hallway?
I just didn't. Okay, we gotta be close. You should be able to open with your magic band. So we should be on the right. This will be the next room on the right.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
Clean out my top house.
Welcome, Smith family.
No. Sorry.
Look at the beds.
No, there's animals out my window, bro. Hold on. They're just chilling.
Oh my god, they're right there.
They're just chilling.
Oh.
Abby uses her sunglasses in the fucking savannah. This window. Bah. You think I'll answer me?
Alright, while you guys are looking at this, I'm gonna take some video of the room real quick. Alright, this is the Savannah View room. These are the beds. Decorations. Oh, they have it set at 68. They actually have a room set at 68. Oh my goodness, we actually... Is this the new stuff? Because it doesn't say H2O on it. Hi. Oh my god, I'm like in love with this room. I'm in love with this room. Oh, hey, let's see if they have Joffrey's.
Joffrey's in the room?
Oh, it's in... Does she have a K-cup? It's in K-cups.
There's a Keurig right here.
No, we're giving them to Gracie. Gracie likes...
So I can't drink this in the morning?
No, you can drink it, we'll get more.
Do they always come with these?
Yes, but they're not always K-cups.
All rooms have Keurigs, you're telling me this?
No, the values have regular coffee pots. We're in a deluxe.
So I can drink this in the morning?
Yes.
Dark coffee, ew. Are they all dark coffee?
I don't know. Hey, look at me. So, do you like the room?
Yeah, I'm looking at the zebra way down there. There's also a giraffe. You can see like a giraffe between the thing. You can't really see the zebra right now.
All right, let's. You guys want to go?
There's also really weird birds right